Miss Victoria, are you on the call? Okay. All right. So she's here. So you're welcome, Mrs. Victoria. So, this is actually how to fund with your Bitcoin. This is how to fund with your Bitcoin. Now, when your account is funded, let me come back. When your account is funded, your balance, you want to come to trade. I'm going to show you other things. You want to come to trading. Now, when you come to trading, you are going to see your account balance here. You're going to see your account balance here. Now, let me just quickly do an example of this method of trading. Now, I showed you the old way of trading Forex where you make points. Here, I told you the way of trading is based on time. Now, when you finish your analysis on a particular currency, this is where you come to place your trade. I just want to quickly show you an example of what you'll be learning. Now, over here, you have time. This is how long I want to stay on the trade. You can choose to stay from 1 minute to as long as 30 minutes. So let's say I want to stay on this trade for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. Now, 1% of my account is how much? That is 1% of my account is how much? Let me see if we have mathematician. 7.76. Am I correct?
Yes, sure.
This is 1% of my account. So now, under this amount, it tells you how much you want to invest. And I told you guys, always invest just 1% of your account, 7.76. So I've invested just 1% of my. All right. So 7.76 is 1% of my account. Now, this is how much I'm investing. Now, in the next 2 minutes, I will analyze this currency. And I want to know, will this currency stay, will it buy in the next 2 minutes and stay buying, or it will sell and stay selling? Those analyses are things you can do. Do you understand me?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how much I am risking. I'm risking 7.76. This is how much my profit is going to be if I win it. So what it means is this currency, this is the percentage payout. It's paying me 70% of what I invested. So if I invested $100, it's going to pay me $70, and I'm going to make that money in 2 minutes. Now, if your analysis is wrong, you have options. You have an option to do what we call rollover. What does rollover mean? Rollover means you are going to buy more time, another 2 minutes, or you are going to lose the total, your total 1% that you actually invested. Now, let me take a trade for you guys to see. Now, my trade, I want to say this thing is going to go down in the next 2 minutes. I didn't do analysis. This is just a rough example. Hope you understand.
Okay.
Yeah, this is just a rough example. So let me just say I want to sell. This is sell. This is sell. This means sell. Put means sell. Call means to buy. Why put means to sell. So now you can see I have placed my trade. I just placed my trade. Let me. All right. See, I just placed my trade. Right now, this is where I entered the trade, where you see this line, but it is above where I entered. But then I still have time. Remember, I went in for 2 minutes. So what I'm saying is, I am expecting, based on analysis, here I didn't do analysis, based on analysis that this thing is going to come down in the next 2 minutes. Now, if it doesn't come down, I can come here and buy more time for another extra 2 minutes. This rollover option, I'm going to buy more time. But you can see it is approaching, but it doesn't look like it's going to come down in the next 2 minutes. Now you can see my payout. My payout is 0.0. Look at my order size. This is how much I invested. So let us see something. Let us see if it's going to, if we need to buy. Okay, let's buy more time. Let's buy 2 minutes. So I'm going to buy another 2. Well, I'm going to teach you how to do this. How you're not guessing. You're going to do analysis and you're going to know what direction it's going to take. So I just bought time, another 2 minutes. So instead of staying in this trade for just 2 minutes, I'm going to be staying in this trade for 4 minutes now. And you can see it is shooting up. I didn't do analysis. So what it means is, if at the end of this trade, it doesn't go below my entry price, I am going to lose the total amount of how much I staked. Remember, I staked 7.76. whenever you use the rollover option, 30% of your stake is added to your account. 30% is added. So that is why you see it move from 7.76 to $10. So let's just see how this plays out. If I lose it, that's fine. That's fine because I didn't do analysis. I don't trade on weekend. I just did this to show you how this platform works. This is how the platform works. And then I'm going to show you my results. I'm going to show you my results for some time. So let's just wait for this to play out. Once it's done playing out, I'm going to show you my results for some time, and then you're going to see my results. So let's just, please, are you with me?
Yes, we are.
All right, Mr. Eze. Mrs. Divine, are you with me?
Yes, I just got back now.
Okay. Mrs. Victoria, are you with me? Mrs. Victoria? Oh, she's not even on the call. Okay, she's going to watch the video. I think she's a busy fella. Okay, obviously, I'm going to lose this trade because it's just staying above there. I'm going to lose it. So if I had done my analysis, I should have known the direction this thing was going to go. But you see that I didn't do any analysis. I just wanted to show you how it plays out, and I placed it. Now, this is the time. This is where my time is going to finish. This is where my 4 minutes is going to finish. My 4 minutes will finish here. So once this dot hits this line, they are going to take $10 out of my account. But if I had won it, I was going to win 70%. That is like $7 if I had done analysis. But remember, I did not do analysis. Okay, Mrs. Victoria is back with us. I think it's her network. It's her network. So, bam, this is a loss. I lost this. You see it. Trade. I lost it. 0.0. If I had done analysis, I should have known. But then, now let me show you my results for some time. Let me go back to, let's say, let me start from 19th. Let me start from 19th so that you're going to see my result history. Now, this is the trade quantity. This is how many trades I've taken. From the 19th till today, I've taken 32 trades. I've taken 32 trades from 19. Now, oh, my laptop is okay. Network is all right. So now I want to, out of my 32 trade, now this is the first page. See how many trade. I only lost 1, 2. I won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On this page, 8 trade won. Look at my payout. You can see all these are in dollars. I invested $21. I got $37. So you can see them. All of them are in dollars. This is page 1, 10 trades. The next page is another 10, making it 20. So let's see if it's going to load. The network is really doing its thing. All right, this is the second page. The second page now, this is another 10. Out of this 10, in the first one, I won 8. This second one, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I won 5 and I lost 5. So out of 20 trades, I won 13 and I lost 7. Let us see the third page. Let us see the third page. So we'll know if I am profitable or I'm not. All right, this is the third page. 1, 2, 3. I'm just counting my wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this page, I won 8 and I lost 2 because the total is 10. I won 8 and I lost 2. So out of 30 trade, if you had 8 to 13, that's 21. So I won 21 trade. Out of 30, I won 21 and I lost 9. So let us see the fourth page that will just contain only 2 because my total trade quantity is 32 trades. So I've checked 30. So the last 2, I won 1 and I lost it. So out of 32 trade, I won 22 and I lost 10. What it means is my win to lose ratio is 2:1. I won 22 and I lost 10. And this last, the reason why it is 10 is because of this last trade I took that I didn't do analysis. Remember? And look at it now, it's coming down. This last trade I took, I didn't do analysis. That's the trade that. So this is how binary works. Now let me show you what I believe interests everybody. My transaction history. That is my withdrawals, so that you can be encouraged. All right. So you can see this is a withdrawal. All right. Let's start from here. This is a withdrawal. This is withdrawn. Look at it. 810. This is another withdrawn. 550. This withdrawn were rejected because the amount was too high, so I was advised to make it low. So I did 500, 480, and I did another 450, expecting this on Monday. This is still pending because it was done on the 29th. It was done on the 29th. That was on Thursday evening. So it takes 24 hour plus for them to respond. But on weekends, they really don't respond for withdrawals. So this is just to encourage you. This is how basically binary works. And this is the platform. So I've shown you how to get your account verified. Now, for when your account is verified, you will not be trading with your real money. You'll be trading with what we call demo. And the demo is the virtual audio account. But everything that happens on the demo is similar with what happens in the real account. So you want to also come to this support and submit a ticket. You are submitting that ticket to this support team. And the title of that ticket is them requesting for demo account. You put the priority to be high and you type, I am requesting for a demo account. I would like to have my demo account, and you submit. The only time they can give you a demo account is when you funded your account. And the amount of funds in your demo account is directly equivalent to the amount of funds you have in your real account. So if you funded your account with $10, just know that the demo account they are going to give you is a $10 demo account. That is how they operate. Is that clear, please?
Yes, please.
All right. So, do you have any question thus far? If you have any question, let me take questions before we proceed. Any question?
None from here.
All right, from Mr. Eze, none. From Mrs. Divine, do you have any question?
I'm lost, Mr. Femi. At some point, your network is fluctuating.
Yes.
At some point, your voice is breaking.
It's breaking. Yeah, that's those are the reasons
So
why.
like the last part, I didn't get it correctly.
Okay. All right. So what I did in the last part is I just showed my withdrawals. I showed my trade history.
Yes. I had that side, yes.
I showed my trade history from 19th till today. From 19th of this month till date, I showed the history of my trade. Even me too, the network is affecting me here, so it's taking time to load. So I showed my trade history. It's not like I'm teaching anything. I'm just showing evidence before we go into work. And I can assure you, you won't be experiencing this. Once we start the main teaching, I'm going to be uploading videos. It's going to be uploading videos. Then what we'll come and do online like this is just to come and discuss the videos that was uploaded after you've watched it and you've jotted down. So all the
that will be fine, sir.
Yeah, so the disadvantage of this network will not be there. So what I do is when I upload it, that's how we train all of our students. When I upload the video, I send you the YouTube link. You go to our YouTube channel, you watch the video, no cracking, no all this hooking and everything. Watch it smoothly. Then you jot, and when you have questions, you come on the Telegram and we
sorry, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, with you.
Is it from the YouTube?
Yeah, it's from YouTube channel.
I thought it's being recorded.
That is what I'm saying.
You can access it from WhatsApp or...
Okay, you cannot upload the video on WhatsApp because it will be too heavy for WhatsApp. You can't upload anything more than 16 megabytes on WhatsApp. Yes, you cannot upload anything more than 16 megabytes on WhatsApp.
Okay.
That is why we upload our videos on YouTube as a way of also keeping the video there for record purposes. So if you want to download it, you could go on YouTube and download the video and watch it as you go. You can download the video too on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Mrs. Victoria, do you have any question? Oh, she's not on the call again. Network. So these are the disadvantages.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, something just flashed my thought now.
Okay.
Like if I want to fund my Bitcoin wallet,
Yes.
how would I go about it? Fine, I know how to fund it into the IQCent account, but I
Yes.
mean, like if I want to buy more Bitcoin, because now Nigerian banks they are restricting one from doing buying Bitcoins with your Naira account now, unless they
Yes.
force you to have a dollar account. So I
Yes.
know that the quickest and short way is to buy Bitcoin with someone,
Yes.
or you have a Lunar account. Even
Yes.
Lunar account, I'm still not even sure if they will accept it because it's still attached to one's Visa Naira account.
Yeah.
So do you have another way you can advise us in buying this Bitcoin? Except you are the one going to be the seller to us.
Yeah. That is what I'll just tell you that I actually used to buy from a company called Patricia. That is where I buy
Okay,
Bitcoin from. Yeah, Patricia. But currently, Patricia is doing an upgrade on their site, so they are not selling Bitcoin. The only thing you can do on Patricia, Patricia is Nigerian Luno. Just the way you buy Bitcoin,
okay,
yeah, you buy and sell and withdraw your cash.
okay,
That's what you can also do on
okay,
Patricia. When you withdraw your money from your IQ cent, you are going to withdraw it as Bitcoin just because you made deposit in Bitcoin. You are going to withdraw Bitcoin. Then I sell to Patricia. Patricia debits credits my account. So Patricia is
okay,
currently down. So anytime any of you need Bitcoin, you just reach out to me, and I'll get Bitcoin for you so that you'll not have the stress of being scammed or any of this thing. All we just need to do is we need to
okay,
check Naira rates, and then I have so many friends that are vendors. I don't sell Bitcoin. The only time you can ever see me with Bitcoin is if I have it saved in my blockchain account, or I just did withdrawal and I've not yet transferred it to my Patricia account. Then I can just sell to
okay,
people. But I don't like those selling process. I've been duped once. I sold Bitcoin worth $500 to somebody that's over 200,000, and he didn't pay me after sending the Bitcoin to him. So ever since then, I don't do Bitcoin things. All I just do is I sell to Patricia and withdraw my money. So that's why
okay.
I am not a Bitcoin vendor. But when you need Bitcoin, just get in touch with me, and that won't be a problem.
All right, that's one. Then secondly, which is the suitable amount one should actually have in his or her account to start with? Because you mentioned something like have $10. If you fund your account with $10, you're giving a $10 demo.
Yeah.
Yes, okay now, but in natural sense, to really, really breathe well in this thing and conveniently for a start,
Yes.
what should be like a peg line?
$100.
$100. All
Yeah.
right.
That's my advice to anybody. If you can
Okay.
afford it, go for $100. But if you cannot, you can do the thing with $25, $20, $15, because most of our students like starting like that is you will be discouraged. Why? Your growth will be very slow. When you are making money, you are making profits in cents. 60 cents,
Okay.
70 cents, 75 cents. So your growth is slow. So you are trying to grow that account. Except if you say, all right, I'm a disciplined person. I just want to be trading from now till June next year before I do withdrawal. Then you can start with small money so that you grow it in the next 6 months. But if you want to do withdrawals, let me say you want to, at the end of the month, at least let me even remove $10, $20 from this account and just encourage myself that, this is my trading returns. You need to start. If you start with $100 and in a day you can do 1 to 2%, 3% growth. That's 3% growth maximum. If you can grow your account by 3% consistently for 1 week, that is approximately 15% growth in a week from Monday to Friday. If you do that consistently for a month, we're talking about 60% increase on your account. And if you learn it very well, you can even up your game. But then you want to start with maximum 3% growth. You want to work with 1% to 3% daily growth. So at least by the end of the month, you,
Okay.
you, you would have said, you didn't make profit, you should have an extra $60 in your account. And if you, like one of my mentors says is, if you want to make more money in Forex, invest more money. You can't invest $100 and you want to withdraw $500 at the end of the month. That is, you are not being sincere with yourself. So if you want to withdraw $500, then maybe you should invest $1,000. If you want to invest more than that, so Forex is a business of capital like any other business. If you want to make money quick, invest. I told a story yesterday of a student of mine that lost her money. She blew her account. Why did she blow her account? She started with $200 and she wants to withdraw money at the end of the month, and she went on over leveraging using $10. That is, she was using 10% or 5% of her account, and
Well,
that was wrong. 1, 2, 3 losses, her emotions were scattered, and then she started taking irrational decision. I want to make my money back, pursuing the market, which is wrong psychology of trading. And that was how she lost her whole money. Why? Because she wanted to make money. If you want to make more money, I advise her, increase your account balance and you will make more money. So that's just the logic.
all right.
Yeah. Mrs. Victoria, you understood what I just said, right? I said Mrs. Victoria, sorry, Mrs. Divine.
Yes, sir. I can hear you now.
Yeah, I said you understood some of the things I said, right? When the videos
Yes,
come,
I wanted to ask you.
go ahead, ma.
Yeah,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I wanted to ask you about the Bitcoin account.
Yes.
We should just log into the browser
Yes.
and follow the steps
Just
forward.
yes. Log into the browser. You already opened your account now. You already opened your account. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, you already
I can
opened
hear
your
you.
account. Yeah. You have an account already now with IQ Sense. That was the one we were doing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So
yes.
what you need is you need to
So I've
request that they verify your account first before we put any money inside your account. Let them first verify it, which is the step I taught you.
okay.
You come to
I will
settings.
do that if we finish now.
You come to settings and you chat them up. You submit a ticket telling them that you want your account to be verified. Let them not tell you that it's withdrawal, that you want to your account verified before making any deposit. Once your account is verified, then I should have Bitcoin. I'm not sure, but once you want to do, just let me know and I will just transfer the Bitcoin. But while in the process, we are also going to open a blockchain account for everyone. A blockchain account is this account where you collect your money and keep. It's like a bank account. That is where you collect. When you want to do withdrawals, you withdraw it into your blockchain account, and from your blockchain account you sell your Bitcoin and collect your cash. Don't worry about the process of selling Bitcoin. There are legitimate online platforms where you can sell your Bitcoin, and in 30 minutes maximum you get your money into your bank account. So because one of the things is people are always discouraged that all this stress of looking for who to sell Bitcoin. Even just on Thursday I still sold Bitcoin to Patricia to collect cash. So that isn't a problem. So if you even have a Patricia account, then you might not really need.
But this their upgrading is taking too long.
It's taking too long, actually. It's taking too long. Before now, the application is not working.
Because I downloaded their app.
Yeah, it's working now. The app is working now.
Yeah.
Before now, it wasn't working, but now it's working.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's working. The only thing is you cannot do your DSTV subscription. You cannot do any online subscription yet. The only thing that they are offering now is you can put your Bitcoin into the wallet and sell the Bitcoin, but you can't even buy Bitcoin right now. You can't buy Bitcoin right now from Patricia. Yeah, they are not. I used to buy Bitcoin from them. Their rate is cool for me. I buy my Bitcoin from them, but now you can't even buy Bitcoin from Patricia because of the upgrade and everything. So they are not selling Bitcoin yet. All you can just do is sell to them and withdraw your cash, but you cannot buy from them. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So, Mrs. Victoria.
All right. So one final question.
Okay, please, just give me a moment. Give me a moment. Let me just. Mrs. Victoria, you are welcome. Can you hear me? Can you unmute yourself? Can you hear me? Mrs. Victoria? Mrs. Victoria? All right. Go ahead, Mr. Easy, sir.
All right, sir. My question is this. Within these three options of a laptop, a tab, and a phone, how should it go in an order of sequence of importance that one should use as a starter?
Laptop.
I've had all sorts that either you use a laptop or a tab. Laptop, okay.
Laptop. Why did I say laptop? Followed by tab before phone. Why did I say laptop? This trading view where you do your analysis, you can't do it comfortably on a phone. You can't do it really comfortably on. Okay, if you are very good at using tab, you can do this on the tab. But I am comfortable. The interface on my laptop. This is where you do your analysis. Yes, on my system. So I am more comfortable here. I'm more comfortable here. So I will actually advise a laptop first. Network has been bad. The last I heard was you logging into your trading account. Yeah, I really noticed it, and I can assure you that I believe by God's grace today will be the last day you'll be having this network issue. From tomorrow, you are going to get the video so you can just watch it. So when we come on the call, all we are just doing is trying to answer questions and maybe buttress on points. Nothing more than that, because of so that it wouldn't be self-centered. Hoping to watch the video. All right. That's okay.
That will be fine.
Yeah. So any other question before I move on to show you how to open your trading account, your trading view, because all these are tools you need. So I have to get all these tools ready before we start doing any lecture. We have to have all these tools ready. So now this is my trading view account. So I'm going to be sending the link to you. So let me log out of my account so that I'll show you how to open your trading view. It's a free account. You're not paying 1 penny, except if you want to do professional. Like this is a professional account. So I pay $15 monthly to use it. But you don't need that. So let me sign out. Let me sign out. All right, let me sign in now. So good. So when you want to open an account, when you click the link I'll be sending to you, it brings you to this page here where it's going to, I have signed in because I already have an account. Yours is going to be sign in or sign up. So you want to sign up. So once you sign up, let me log into my account. No. My username rather.
Your wife is calling you.
Tree.
Okay.
So I'm signed in. So this is my account. This is my trading view account. This is where you do analysis. And one of the things I'm going to be doing is I can't start teaching you how to use trading view when I've not started teaching you. Our main lecture starts from the video you are going to get tomorrow. All these are just introductory so that you are just, okay, like I told you yesterday, you connect the dots looking backward. You can't really connect the dots going forward. So now, today might not really buttress much about what was said yesterday, but going forward into the week, you'll be like, okay, this is why he said so and so. Okay, this is why he said this is how the thing behave like this, like this, like this. So going forward, you are going to be understanding better some of the things I am saying right now, going forward from now. So I'm going to send a link right now. You don't even need me to send a link. Just do www.tradingviewsignup.com. Let me just type it to you now. www.
So doesn't it have an app like Google Play Store?
It has an app on Google Play Store, but then The app is for your Android phone or for your iOS. And I told
Okay.
you the issues with phone. You really can't do. When we start,
Much.
you will understand why you can't use a phone.
All right, sir.
Yeah. Majorly your analysis, you should use a laptop. Then maybe you want to place your trade, you place your trade with a phone. All right, so I just sent the link right now to Mrs. Divine. Let me forward it to you, sir. Mrs. Victoria. So you want to just open an account with that link, just www. All right, so is there any other question? Anything, please. Anything, let me know. Anything?
None for now.
None from you, right? All right,
None
so
for
you
now.
need to do this. Get back to me on the progress. Anywhere you are having issues with your trading view, let me know. Mrs. Victoria, are you on the call? Seems like she doesn't want to talk today. She's muted.
Yes, I mean, but the line is breaking.
Okay, sorry about that. So sorry
Can you hear
about
me?
that. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. So sorry about that.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, her line is really bad. It's really bad from your end. I actually let me allow you guys go rest. Tomorrow is Sunday. You'll be getting your video. I'll be uploading these videos for today, and then your lecture for tomorrow. I'll be uploading it before 7 p.m. Tomorrow is a very busy day for me, but before 7 p.m. you get it. Watch it. We'll discuss it. We'll discuss it extensively. Just free your mind and relax. You are going to enjoy this ride. Free your mind and relax. Then about trading, you might be saying, okay, now how am I going to be trading? I have 2 to 3 days live
Hello?
tradings. Yeah, I can hear you, Mrs. Victoria. You're welcome. Her network is really bad. She'll watch the video. I have live trading sessions with my students where I do the analysis. I tell you when to buy and when to sell. I tell you all you need to do, when to buy and when to sell. So while you are learning, do you see the advantage? You can also be earning while learning. So you don't need to wait to know how to do it before you start making money. You can be making money with me on those live trading sessions. And we have live trading sessions on Monday, on Tuesday, and on Friday. On Thursday, and on Friday. So,
That
but
would be interesting, Oga.
yeah, that will be very interesting. All my students are enjoying it. That will be very interesting. So what I want you to do is don't be too in a hurry. Watch these videos, digest them, know what it is. Ask me questions. Ask me. I might not respond to chats immediately. I respond to call as much as I can, but I prefer chats more so that if I'm not able to respond immediately, I can always respond later. That's why sometimes I miss calls because I'm either after this Zoom, I could be on another Zoom. I have so many groups that I'm trading. So, that being said, I just said that to encourage you that just give time to learning. If it's the earning, we're going to be earning together. While I'm trading, you're trading with me on these days. Mondays is by 8 p.m. Tuesdays by 8 p.m. Thursdays by 8 p.m. Fridays usually by 8 p.m. in the night. 1 hour, 30 minutes. We're trading together. That is it. That is just it. Since we don't have any question, I think we should call it a day for tonight. Just go open your trading view. I'll send link to Mrs. Victoria to open an IQ Sense account. And then reminisce over what we've learned this night. I'll be sending the video now. I'll not even delay this. Yesterday's one, you get it now. Today's one, you get it tomorrow. Let me send yesterday's one to YouTube now and send the links to you so that you can watch it at any time. So have a wonderful, wonderful night rest. And I hope to hear from you all tomorrow.
All right, Mr. Freeman.
Thank you very much.
Today is better than yesterday.
Yeah, well, thank God. Thank you. And I'm so happy to hear your voice, Mrs. Divine. All right, now have a wonderful night.